Welcome. This tutorial demonstrates working with artistic text in CorelDraw. Artistic text is the text created with text tool to add short lines of text such as titles. To add artistic text, select the text tool from the toolbox and drag in the drawing document. Click anywhere in the document and type. If you want to import text, go to the File menu and click Import. Browse the file you want to import and select Import. Click OK. To select an entire text, you can use the Pick tool. To select special characters, use the Text tool and drag across the text. To change the character properties, go to the Text menu and select Character Formatting. You can change the font of the text, change the font style, specify the font size, you can click the underline button to provide underline to the text. In order to add color to the text, first select the Text tool and select any color from the color palette. You can increase or decrease the size by dragging the corners. You can also rotate the text by clicking inside the text and rotating. Thank you.